And we are going to use this brown paper, maybe also newspapers, because they add some colors and it's different texture. And I will just shortly show you how we usually do it. So the first task is very simple. When we work with brown paper, we have to be careful not to cut our hands, but what helps at the beginning is to make the paper more flexible and softer. So we simply do it like this. Paper, just try to, and it becomes like a fabric in a way. It's really good then to have shapes and other things. So this will be our first task. And then a very simple way of making the body of a puppet is to start with a head. So just show it like this. So here I have a piece of paper. I take another one and put it here. And I make a hat. But this is very soft. This is not very good for, newspaper, because it falls apart all the time. Then we also use string, different kinds of string. So the next thing will be to put the string. But then we need the rest of the body, and the puppet should stay in one part till the end of the week. So we also have to think about some technical and practical things. So it has to be strong. So how we usually work with hands is we start with this. That's a good idea also. Like this. And if we want, sometimes this piece of paper, depends how big it is, it's just enough for hands. But if you want to have longer hands, we can put some paper here from this side to prolong the hands simply. And again use string. And now the rest of the body. This is just shown, but then we will start serious work with brown paper. So again. So we do it like this. And again we use, so now you see it's like connected, it's joined together. And from the other side the same. And here we can have, I don't know, some belly, or you can need the bigger person. Always using just the paper and string. So let's see how it goes.
That is really, look how small you got it.
Yeah, smaller is easier, but we both have bigger one.
Oh. It's a man's hand.
Sound is great. Sound is great. Yeah, but then I put inside some more paper, and then I covered it with a big one to be able to tie it.
Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah, yeah.
Newspaper, then during the show we can make a hole and take this news out of the head.
Okay.
So it could be also like this. What about legs? you can make them stronger a little bit. Legs.
You think so? Yeah.
Fall apart, but maybe not.
Yeah, the legs, yeah, they are.
Maybe-
Yeah, the hand is so beautiful, the legs, yeah.
For one, is it? Yeah, for one.
Octopus.
I was thinking
Yeah,
about
think about that, but I'm not sure if this is going to work.
no.
But maybe, yeah, maybe. If we just use string to put it here, like this.
Yeah.
Otherwise, I think it's not going to work. Let's see a little bit like loose but very.
No, it's stable, huh? Come on.
Yeah, yeah. It keeps. Can we try both? So you can maybe walk with the hand. Yeah. And if you try to keep the head and one hand. Yeah. Also. Maybe look somewhere. Try to touch this one.
So what do you think now?